Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to take a photo to looks like an old photo only with iPhone camera. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your camera applications, and right after you open it, now you just need to go take a look on this upper side. There will be 3 buttons there. Here is for the flash, here is for the live photo. I will let you turn it off, and here is for other information or other option. Go click them to expand the options. Now just need to take a look on this bottom part. So there will be a pop section. Go click these 3 circles on the right side, and you just need to slide this part into the left side until you found this dramatic warm. And right after that, you just need to start capturing the camera, and right after that, go open the result. So here is the result. If you want to have more, if you want to make this photo looks more old style, go click this edit part, and I will like to suggest you to drag this part into the left side until you found this vignette. And now you just need to adjust in it into the right side. Whenever you're done, just go click done, and here is the result. Now your photo looks like an old photo versions. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it and give you new knowledge. So thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.